Hey guys, welcome to Java Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to check MySQL version on Windows or any machine, right? So let's say you have installed MySQL on your machine and you have forgotten what version of MySQL you have installed. So how to check that one? So to check that one, first of all, let's open MySQL command line, right? So if you go to open MySQL command line, then it is showing 8.0, right? But I would like to know the exact version of MySQL server is running on my machine, right? That is 8 point something, right? So just open the MySQL command line, and here you have to basically query a table that is called show variables, right? You have to write the show variables. Of course, you can write in capital or small, doesn't matter. Show variables where variable underscore name equals to, you have to write in single quotes, you have to write the version. That means what I am trying to basically query, there is a basically table, there must be a table. MySQL maintains something is called variables, or there must be an environment variable kind of stuff where variable name equal to I am writing the version. And if I press enter, then here you can see it is showing the exact version. So this is the version, MySQL version running on my computer system, 8026. Of course, if you are working on Linux or some other operating system, Mac, then this is the same way to check, right? Now let's make little change in this query. So here, if you want to know the little more details about the all variables, basically starting with the this word, right? Or variables which basically all the variable name which is having a version as the word, then you can do something like this. So here, if you want to know some more details apart from the version, right? So here you can see version also, you can see, right? Apart from that, if you want to know the version of admin TLS version or InnoDB versions and some other more detail like protocol version and all, then you can write this kind of query. You can apply the like operator, and there you can specify a percentage in starting and last and put in the single quote entire stuff. Basically you can use the like operator. So whatever variables contains version keyword, word, then all the variables will be listed out over here. So that's all I wanted to show in this video tutorial, guys.